Hi friends, we are happy between two worlds.
Happy between two worlds.
Happy between two worlds, it means happy between Europe and America, and in fact right now we are in Latvia and in California.
And we're taking a short European vacation.
And today is March 20th and we are at last in the Riga airport. And we are heading to where, Mick?
Sofia,
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
To Bulgaria. We are renting car there and traveling neighboring countries. We will see where we are allowed with our passports. Yes, visiting other countries too. Just sign up to our channel, comment, and enjoy your life together with us.
Yes, it'll
Find
be a
new
great
places.
adventure.
Yeah. So we are flying to Bulgaria. Are you happy?
I'm happy right now.
It says big mountains to the left, but I don't see that. So 10 minutes So we're in Sofia airport.
Yeah.
We have got the task to pick up our luggage. And another thing is that the car we rented 5 minutes before taking off in Riga.
It's 7 kilometers away.
7 kilometers away. So we're looking for our luggage here. So you've got our luggage. Good. Hey, we are happy here in Sofia for the first time in Bulgaria. And weather is beautiful, sun is shining.
Finding our way around.
Yes. How it feels.
Good. I'm happy to be off airplane as always.
Yeah, and we're waiting for the rental car here.
We're waiting for the shuttle to take us to the rental car.
Yeah, because we rented the car from the local company.
Oh, beautiful mountains over there, look.
Yeah. Ooh, and weather is so beautiful. It's really spring. We are getting right to our car renting place. And this is our first time and first drive in Bulgaria. In Sofia. Looks so amazing. Mountains are beautiful. Weather is excellent. People are nice. Let's see what happens ahead. Thank you. What is your name?
Alexander.
Alexandra. Thank you, Alexandra. We are getting...
This is mountain. The name of the mountain is Vitosha.
Peter?
Vitosha.
Vitosha.
Yes.
Vitosha. Okay.
National Park.
Good. Okay.
Sofia is surrounded from mountains.
Oh, surrounded.
Yes, this is the Balkans. We say Stara Planina, which is old mountain.
This is our rent-a-car place. You are the one.
Where are we?
We are in Sofia. Imagine me driving Kia instead of what I ordered. I ordered a Toyota Prius. No, Toyota whatever. It was modern Toyota. We wanted to try it, thinking of buying. We didn't get it because it was with scratches. And I've got Kia.
And why are you driving instead of me?
Oh, because Mick is not allowed to drive in Europe. He doesn't have a driving license, and he has no permit from America to drive in Europe.
Okay, which I don't want to tell you, but I'm pretty happy about that.
I know. I'm not happy about that, but
All right.
not very happy, but I'm okay. I'm
Excellent.
driving, and I enjoy driving this nice car, Kia, whatever it was.
Yeah, it is kind of a nice car, huh?
We were offered a white. We were offered
RAV4.
Yeah, white Toyota, and we have got black Kia.
All right, and we declined the
I have to-
RAV4.
Wait a minute, Mika. I have to look where I have to turn left somewhere soon. So basically, and they have Cyrillic and Latin letters. 70. At last we have got to our hotel. It's a spa hotel. It's a big area, motel, in fact. So we came here by car from the renting place, and we're gonna have a little rest. We have like 2 hours for our spa, and then they have restaurant here. We're gonna stay here in this building which is behind me. Here is our room. Somewhere there they have many small buildings. Gonna enjoy the evening. Mick is in our room.
Hello.
No light.
Turn on the light.
Why? So small tiny room. We're gonna have rest here. Oh, so glad about that. Are you?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Look.
So this our spa is our.
I like it.
Yeah, it's all right. We have everything prepared. Beautiful towels. Everything here. Nice view through the window. We see a little bit of evening Sofia there. So we have a little balcony here. Mick, can you open for me?
Yeah.
So let's walk through the balcony here with me. I will show you around. Look, beautiful view. Yeah, it's nice. It's spring and birds are singing here. So we are walking to the spa. Oh, the local cat. You're the local kitty. Hey, we don't have any
Wanting some
treats.
local food.
Yeah, this is a spa area of the hotel. Look how beautiful. We are getting towels. It's beautiful reception.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. He will take for me. And we go to the spa.
Yes.
So we have an hour. We have around.
The waiter will be open.
Okay, thank you.
Here, lady walker rooms. On the other side is the spa, and the main come here. I'll show you the other side.
Okay, here, Leah. Figured out.
So we are here in sauna. We didn't expect, but we appeared in the hotel. It's beautiful. We are going to swim and to take the steam bath, and it's very nice. And the lady in the airplane told that we definitely should do that in Bulgaria.
But yeah, I agree with you.
Aroma sauna and just sauna. I would say we should try aroma sauna, not? What do you think?
So you said there's aromatherapy?
We came to aroma.
Very nice.
Smells so good.
Yes.
We are gonna enjoy this aroma and calm music. And it's a little dark and nice here. Yes, I really enjoy it. We just came out of sauna. So nice relaxing area here. The sofas. Oh yeah, I said you are gonna get to swim. Oh, you are.
Forgot which way we came at.
Wintertime, no one swims. Villa. Each villa has the light, you know which villa is yours. And ours is there around the corner.
And this is our hotel room key. That is the strangest key I've ever had.
The dot key. You just put dot and get in. Use the lock. Ding. Ding. Get in.
After you.
It's a beautiful view we have from our hotel room. It's our first breakfast in the spa hotel Tsarsko Selo. You can, it's a Swedish table. You select whatever you want to. Like and subscribe to our channel Happy Between Two Worlds. Watch our videos about Bulgaria. We have 8-day trips. Hope you enjoy it. And also, drop a comment if you have any.
Okay, lady, it looks like you're enjoying your coffee.
It's water.
Your water? Okay, good.
It's water. So we just finished breakfast and we are moving today from the spa hotel where we spend evening and night to Melnik town. Mick found very many interesting places and it will be our day number 2. We just started it.
On the way, we're going to go to the Stobe pyramids which are natural rock formations, very surrealistic.
Okay, looking forward.
And then we're going to a town which I can't pronounce, which
Melnik.
has before that on the way. It's a long town, begins with B, and it has the Rosian Monastery.
Oh, okay. And then we found that there are 7 lakes. The place very popular to visit, but we
they're
found
frozen
out,
now.
Yeah, that time it might be frozen.